Hey there, medical fans. Today I'm going to be giving you some facts and showing you some footage of an interesting condition called solar comedones, also known as senile comedones. Comedones are clogged pores, and if they're still open at the top, then they're blackheads, and if they're closed, whiteheads. Senile comedones arise on the face of the middle-aged and elderly. They normally affect areas that have been exposed to sunlight over a long period of time, particularly the cheeks, which may then become yellow and leathery, a condition which is known as solar elastosis. Solar comedones are persistent, but they're not related to acne and usually don't become inflamed. If a patient has solar or senile comedones in association with solar elastosis, this is known as Favre-Racochet syndrome. I hope I'm saying that right. And this may affect the skin around the eyes, the temples, and the neck. This is usually found in people with heavy sun exposure and a history of heavy smoking. So here's some tips to help manage and prevent. Use sunscreen. Stop smoking. Wash your face with mild soap and water. Use light moisturizers if your skin is dry. And the comedones themselves can be extracted. Using a blemish kit is the best and safest way to go about doing that, as it comes with a variety of instruments. And in the case of senile comedones, even when they're open at the top, they can be very hard and require light prodding with either a needle or a lancet to help loosen them up. And as a last resort, the comedones can be removed by cauterization or laser treatment. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video interesting and informative. Stick around afterwards so you can check out a blemish removal kit that we found that's very suitable to most needs. And don't forget to subscribe. We have new content all the time. Thanks again. Stay tuned for a quick message about how to get rid of blackheads like the pros. If you've got to get rid of some blackheads, it's safer to use an extractor like this one. We looked around on Amazon and found this kit, which has a variety of different extractors, including a lancet, and has a great quality to price ratio. Thanks again for sticking around. Check out the link in the description if you'd like to get a kit for yourself. See you next time.